you looking to generate more leads and have your short form videos go more viral? Well, why don't you have artificial intelligence help you do that? Since I started using this platform, my videos have doubled engagement, led to me getting more leads, and led me to getting more followers. And I've been letting artificial intelligence decide every step of the way what to do for my short form content. So if you're a real estate agent, you're going to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you the AI application that can transform your content. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. I've been on the leading edge of helping realtors understand and implement artificial intelligence into their business, just because I've been personally seeing such a massive gain in my business, not only leading me to making more money, but also cutting out a ton of extra expenses that I used to have, and being able just to be more efficient and focus on what really matters as being a real estate agent and generating more sales from it. So if you're a real estate agent that wants to learn my artificial intelligence strategy for short form content, we'll go in the description. I have a course breaking down every step of the way from generating the ideas to getting artificial intelligence to edit it, to even getting to what I'm going to be talking about today for it to repurpose your content, which is going to give you the opportunity to generate more leads so you can close more sales. So let's dive into it. This application has personally replaced a few different employees that I used to have on me managing all this. But the best part is it's actually led me to getting more leads and getting more sales because it decides the virality of the clip. So what you do is you upload a YouTube video into this application and it will chop it up and put the best hooks first. It will also give you the best captions based off of it and give you a virality score on how viral it potentially will go when you post this on social media. I've been personally using this for a couple months now, and like I said, I've gotten more leads and more people reaching out to me actually from having artificial intelligence decide what is going to be the best short form video for my audience. The crazy part when I first started out is I used to have to go through all my YouTube content, find the best sections, re-edit the video, then re-upload it and repost it. And then I hired other people to do this for me, and they never quite performed the way that I wanted. Now, the platform that I've been using is called Opus Clip, where I upload this video. It generates 7 videos for me, edits them, can insert captions, gives me the title description based off what they think most viewers are going to click on, and I can automatically schedule and post this right from the web browser. So no longer do I have to re-download everything and re-upload it. I can do this all in one, and it only costs about $120 at the time of filming this video. So if you want to generate more leads from your short form videos, have artificial intelligence do the work for you at Opus Clip. And if you want to learn more about the Mortlock method for video production using artificial intelligence to really get your calendar completely booked solid with people reaching out to you from social media, well, then you're going to want to take my AI course. The link is in the description. Sign up and start being on the leading edge or get left behind in this revolution of artificial intelligence.